Hi Vedanta, my name is Sarah and I'm applying to be the official vacationist of your luxury resorts. Well, that's easy. I do have previous marketing experience, but even better, I'm already in the social influencer scene. Brand ambassadorships have flown my way. I have quite a large following on social media, so already there's a mass and ever-growing new audience waiting to be shown all your resorts have to offer. I believe this will be key when it comes to fully understanding the type of content desired and needing to be created to showcase the true essence of each resort, and will allow me to easily and consistently provide your company with photos, videos, and other materials of your level of quality that I've documented on my journey. I love new experiences and engaging with new people. I never really seem to fail at finding a way to get everyone included in the fun. I get along well and enjoy being around a variety of people. I'm comfortable with exploring new things and hope I get the chance to do so as your ambassador and share my experiences within your resorts to inspire others to do the same. I have the experience, communication skills, the social outreach, the enthusiasm, and the work ethic to make the most out of this opportunity. I hope to hear from you soon.